Oh, says out there, Big Daddy's Dream, past the begin, moving a party out, so now he's Grace Park Boy, Love Stories, racing in third, and followed by Len Action Sailor, and Chip of Stuff, Big Daddy's Dream, Grace Park Boy is on the outside, 6 lengths away in third, Love Story, Chip of Stuff, Action Sailor, and Len still racing in last, and going along for the first area, Big Daddy's Dream by about 3 for the Balenga. Grace Park Boys on the outside, 4 lengths away in third. Watching them is Love Story, Chip of Stop, Action Sailor, and Len still racing in last, but this time now trying to put big strides. And that's still Big Daddy's Dream by about 2.5 lengths. Grace Park Boys still in second, Love Story in third. Chip of Stop now trying to get closer in fourth, Action Sailor, and Len. Big Daddy's Dream by about 4 lengths. Grace Park Boy, Love Stories down on the inside. Chip of Stop in fourth, Action Sailor, Len is down on the inside. And it's still Big Daddy's Dream by about 5 lengths. While Grace Park Boy in second, Love Story, Action Sailor, down on the inside is Len. Big Daddy's Dream by only 3 lengths. Moving up, Action Sailor, Len is down on the inside. Big Daddy's Dream, Len, Action Sailor is on the outside, entering the finish line. It's the close finish. Len, Action Sailor, then comes Big Daddy's Dream.
Gandang pagtatapos, no? Medyo yung sinasabi nating nangyari,
senaryo.
nangyari.
Oo.